The first thing I want to do in order to classify quadrilateral PQRS is to draw a picture. So I'm just going to draw kind of a generic four-sided figure. It looks a little bit like a parallelogram, but that's okay. And I'm going to label it PQRS, and I make sure that my letters go in the same order as they do for the name up here. And then I'm going to label my sides. So my first side is PQ, and that is 4 square root 10. My next side is RS, which is the bottom, and that is 2 square root 26. So it's extremely important to put your labels on there, because if you hadn't noticed that PQ and RS aren't actually consecutive sides, you might have thought that you're looking at different sides than you actually are. QR is 4 square root 10, and SP is 2 square root 26. So just by looking at the sides that are labeled, I can already tell you that this has to be a kite. And the reason is because I have the consecutive sides that are the same. So the 4 square root 10s are the same, and they're next to each other. And the 2 square root 26s are the same, and they're next to each other. Kite is the only shape where that happens. So I don't even have to look at what the slopes are, because that doesn't have to be anything specific for this to be a kite. So I'm already finished without even looking at my slopes. This has to be a kite.